Hey everybody, it is Thursday. It is also our first day of attempting to do Zoom while we do class, so hopefully this all goes well. I did have an assignment planned for today, and I do hope that we can still get to it, which is called the soundtrack of our life. But there is a topic that I want to address because of the times. We all did the assignment on Monday for Monologue Monday, where we watched the monologue from Marshall done by Chadwick Boseman. And of course, we all know that he played Black Panther and he was an icon to a lot of us. And today happens to be Thespian Thursday, which is our day to learn about and honor and pay tribute to a phenomenal actor. And I decided, typically a warm-up assignment should only take about 5 minutes, but I found this amazing tribute to Chadwick Boseman that's about 17 minutes long, and I really want you guys to have the opportunity to sit and watch it and really think about it. And Chadwick's story really hits a note in me personally because the last show I did, it was back in 2015. And it was probably one of the most remarkable theater experiences of my life. Everything was magic. It all worked really well. We all got along great. But what made it so remarkable was the fact that about halfway through our rehearsals, we found out that our leading lady had stage 4 breast cancer that had metastasized to the rest of her body. And that put a totally different feel onto our show because she was literally dying. She was dying when we had rehearsals. She was dying when we had performances. She literally was having the effects of cancer and the chemo backstage and trying to fit into her costumes because the medicine was making her body swell, and she felt miserable, and she never let it be seen in her performance. She never let it be seen in how she treated or interacted with others. And so in that way, her story and Chadwick's is so remarkably similar. And it's a rarity. People like that are a true rarity, and they leave a mark on your life, whether you know them personally or whether you just look up to them and suddenly you lose them. I'm getting a little emotional because it really is it's not a common thing to experience in your life. And when it does happen, it really does change you and how you look at life and how you approach things. And that person stays a special remembrance in your heart forever. So just like I remember Anita, you guys will always remember the story of Chadwick and everything that he went through toward the end of his life. And even when you guys are 50 years old and you have kids and grandkids, you're going to remember his story and you're going to share it, and you're going to share Black Panther, and his legacy will go on, just like Anita's story will go on, because I talk about her at least once a year in every class period at some point. Whether kids are listening to me, I don't know. But so I just want to take a minute today and just take a good chunk of our class to watch this tribute to Chadwick. And I want you, while you watch it, guys, to think, anyone can have talent and anyone can be a good actor, but what makes you a memorable actor? What makes you somebody that everybody wants to work with, that everybody loves working with? And how can you carry yourself so that you leave such a positive mark on the world, no matter when you leave, whether you get to live until you're 80 or if your life is suddenly cut short. So on that somber note, let's go ahead and start the video.